The Roman Empire was ruled by many emperors, which controlled Rome and the Roman military. But Apostle Paul traveled through Rome proclaiming the good news. The Senate consisted of 300 men of the highest social class to rule over all foreign and domestic affairs. The Roman Empire was very diverse, as it had many government institutions. The Roman Empire ruled over everyone, giving them a certain status based on whether they were rich or poor, if they were a slave or a free man, and if they were a foreigner or a slave. You were considered the highest class if you were born free, and the lowest class if you were a slave. Even if a prior slave was freed and rich, the stigma of them being a slave never goes away. Bibliography: Burge, G. M. Green, G. L. Kohik, L. H. The New Testament in Antiquity, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Zondervan.